Today we're on a mission. Guys, look how foggy she gets on the lights and the windows. Woo! 60-degree weather for our boys. The special guest today is Alex. Hi. Actually, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put gas in now just so we don't have to worry about it along the way. So here's that. Okay guys, so I've been driving for like 2.5 hours. We're like an hour and 15 minutes away or something. But I just wanted to show you guys how cool Brittany looks like right here. We had to stop at a gas station because you know. And back to driving. So we're like 30 minutes out and there's a traffic jam, but there's underpass up. Alright guys, so finally we made it, but not exactly. We went ahead and met up with my friend Angel, as you guys see over there. He's the one that taught me how to do donuts. So right now we're gonna go ahead and buy a toy because it is a Toys for Tots and like an open house where you gotta bring a toy. That's something really good that they did. So we'll catch you guys when we get there. Bro! Dude, honestly, everything was good, but what's up with those roads?
I know, they're under construction right now.
Yeah. Alright, we got the toys. There's these.
I'm glad you got those.
I know. Oh yeah, it's the first time seeing them in person. Thanks to you. If it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't have found them.
I'll see you later.
Alright, I'll follow you. I hope you guys are not mad at me, but I actually got a 5.0 Mustang as a toy. I know, I'm sorry.
This is the whole line?
This is the line? Oh my goodness. Hey, buddy. As you guys saw right there, this line is insane. And I don't even think we're halfway, guys. And we're like ahead of all those people back there. Look at that. We're not even halfway. Finally, we found parking, boys. Oh man, that was pretty hectic. All right, so let me show you guys the parking spot situation. We got a 240, two 370s, and two S2Ks. And as I told you guys, a Mustang. I failed you, I'm sorry. We got the GTRs pulling in. Yo, this turned out to be an awesome meet, honestly. I'm like trying to get all the cool cars for you guys. Yeah, dude. Oh, but here we got what I really wanted to see. Woo. So much cleaner in person, dude. Like in videos, like okay, like it's super nice, but in person, it's like so much better. Wow. Thank you. I guess we're doing a raffle. Didn't know that. It's for a raffle, I think. Yeah. We're just walking around, guys. I'm just waiting to say hi to TJ and then Adam. That's all I'm here for, guys. That's all I'm here for. No, but there's a lot of cool cars and a crap ton of people. We were over there. Now we're like all the way over here. Dang, look at this 350. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like glittery. No words, guys. No words. Oh my god, this is so sick. Add it to the list, guys. Add it to the list. Oh, I think there's gonna be two stuff going on. Go, go, go. That is so loud. It's like the idol. Oh god. I love how there's like a group of people just go somewhere and nobody follows, but no idea what's going on. Oh, I guess.
All you can hear is the noise. All you can hear is noise.
Oh, now we got first row footage. There we go. Just go to the back, go to the back, go to the back, go to the back. Oh, I did it. shout out to Angel for that footage.
I sent it to you, bro.
Guys, my eyes were like crying.
I started crying.
It was so bad.
It was like dirt everywhere.
Oh my gosh, guys. I've never smelled so much E85 and gas and everything my whole life. I guess we're calling out TJ now. TJ! Okay guys, I was just telling Angel, I'm looking at this Supra. Look how close it looks to my 370Z wing. That's like literally the same. Literally, even that part right there. Wait, what? I'll give you guys a better walk around as TJ's Rx7. This car is so much cleaner in person, guys. Guys, everything's pretty much kind of over. We're just trying to find TJ's, nowhere to be found. I'm so tired. I haven't eaten anything in so long. Guys, finally we're gonna eat something. We're so hungry. Like, really hungry. Taking the Z-Fan Pro. Had to get a migraine 101. Oh my god. We're almost heading out, guys, so say goodbye to TJ's Rx7. Honestly, the two-step was insane on that car. Really got a good look at this, so. That's cool. I really like how it turned out for him. Alright guys, and just like that, saying goodbye to the meet. It was awesome, right?
Oh yeah.
It turned out really good.
We're here for what, 6 hours?
Like 6 hours over here. Wow, both of ours, these are like the last cars to leave, guys. We stayed here for so long. Now I got a 3.5 hour drive. And it's already like, what time is it? 5 or 4? I don't even know, but. There she is.
Hi. It's a lot better in person.
Yeah, I like it? Here we got it, bro.
I love it. Oh, wow. Yo,
thank you, bro.
It's a huge difference in a
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Oh my god, that is so much louder than I thought. Alright guys, so just like that, we have to go ahead and say goodbye to Angel. But honestly,
hey, make sure a thumbs up, subscribe to this boy if you're watching. He drove like 4 hours just for this video for you guys, so give him some love, alright?
you guys heard it from him. And also don't forget to subscribe to him. Video will be linked in the description. You guys already know that. But honestly, what I wanted to show, guys, look at the scenery of like the cars and then the lake.
Get out of the way because I'm not pretty enough.
No, super awesome. Well, now we're gonna go ahead and head back home. It is currently, see, coming here, I said I was gonna leave at 2:30, guys. Look what time it is, 5:30. So we've been here for a really long time. So let's go ahead and head home. Guys, I hate coming through the toll that say exact coins. I don't have any coins. So I basically just get the little pamphlet. Yeah, gotta go for anyone. Alright, gonna get back in the car, get back in the car. Gas station run number 2. I've been driving for like an hour and a half. I'm so tired. I'm dead. I think I'm gonna do the talking now just because there's light, and when I get home there's not gonna be any light. I don't really want to say much. All I have to do is that I went to that meet on a mission, like I said in the beginning. I was messing around, but I really wanted to meet TJ. I know I didn't really have time to talk to him and tell him things that I wanted to, I did talk to Adam a little bit, but I'm really happy that I got to take pictures with both of them and actually meet them and see their cars. That was super amazing. Good job, Adam, for setting the whole thing up. Really awesome meeting you, bro. Hopefully one day we can meet as equals. Same goes to TJ. Hopefully one day, man. And my goal for the next one is to be invited. So, bros, 1 year from now, hopefully, fingers crossed, we're invited to that event and we can actually be part of it, and it'll be super awesome. Okay, enough emotional talk. I really gotta pee. Actually, before I get home, guys, I just want you to like acknowledge the situation. I can't even speak. I'm so tired. That we were in. Like, look at this. There's no more range in miles, and we were literally in a road that took us to the middle of nowhere. That was so scary. But we made it to a gas station, thankfully. Finally, guys. Boys, honestly, although it was an amazing time, and I wish I could talk more about it, I have never been so happy to finally be home. It's been an insanely long day, guys. It is like 9:40 something, so we spent out of the house. We left at 7 a.m. You guys can calculate that. It was awesome though, man. It was a really awesome experience. First of all, thank you to all of you who came up to me and said what's up, or just called out my name. That was really awesome. That was actually really cool, so thank you for that. With all that said, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, like the video, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this of me going out of places and just doing fun things for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is going to be really awesome too.
We're no smarter than you.